further ado, I'd like to introduce you to Lisa Hickey.
Hi, welcome everyone. We are excited to show you a preview of Belimo at this year's AHR Expo. Our booth is located in the building automation area, booth number C5141. We have created Belimo socks to keep you warm and fashionable, so be sure to stop by the booth. Our booth this year illustrates how our products are applied in air and water applications. Vic will provide a highlight of how our small devices make a big impact.
Belimo actuators, valves, and sensors are designed to provide buildings with superior levels of comfort, energy efficiency, and safety while minimizing installation and maintenance costs. Let's take a look at an air handling unit, where actuators, sensors, and valves are the interface between the control system and the mechanical system. They are critical for accurate control. Most of your DDC outputs in an HVAC system go to the actuators. If they're not positioned accurately, then all the other parts of the air system suffer. Belimo products are small devices that make a big impact. In a hydronic system, problems are revealed when buildings' occupants report a comfort issue or facilities see an increase in energy consumption. Common indicators of a hydronic problem are a space is too hot in one area or too cold in another, or there's poor system delta T, or higher than expected energy costs, or even a difficult initial startup. The key to achieving perfect hydronic control is maintaining design flow at the terminal units, differential pressure across the control valves, or simply system balance under different conditions. Small devices that have a big impact on the overall hydronic system.
At Belimo, we continually drive ongoing improvements related to comfort, energy efficiency, safety, installation, and maintenance, and is the focus of all of our product developments. CSM is the philosophy that we live and breathe every day. It's the way we provide value for our customers. Let's now take a look at one example of how the CSM philosophy has helped to improve a building's performance.
The University of New Brunswick's Energy Management Division has been investing in energy conservation methods for nearly 30 years. After fully understanding how the energy valve could reduce power consumption by improving chiller performance and eliminating blow delta T, the decision was made to install one as an experimental project on an air handling unit in the university's 23,000 square foot Information Technology Center building. Host to the university's computer science department, the primary purpose of the air handling unit is to provide a comfortable learning environment in offices and classrooms for faculty and staff while using less energy. The end result? Savings from optimizing chiller performance in the building using the Belimo energy valve is estimated to be over $1,200 per year with a payback period of approximately 4 years. Installation of the energy valve was completed in less than a day, resulting in minimal manpower costs. Users have improved transparency and control of the heat exchange process with the energy valve's built-in power control and delta T manager. Since its installation, the energy valve has performed flawlessly with no setbacks or breakdowns. At Belimo, we continue to ensure our small devices make a big impact in buildings. I'll now highlight Belimo's performance devices and the impact they have on buildings' comfort, energy efficiency, safety, installation, and maintenance. Belimo devices provide precision-controlled, comfortable room environments that are essential for the well-being and productivity of people. The Zip Economizer is the most technologically advanced air-side economizer solution in the market. The Zip delivers efficient indoor air quality and the most energy savings through advanced economizer logic strategies and is compliant with the most recent energy codes and standards. Belimo's complete range of sensors with high accuracy and long-term stability result in better indoor comfort. We have a comprehensive sensor range for measuring CO2, VOCs, humidity, and temperature, ensuring comfort levels and maximizing energy savings. This has a high impact on people's well-being and productivity. Pressure-independent control valves ensure that hydronic systems are perfectly balanced at all times, leading to better comfort while saving energy. With Belimo's PI technology, only a single valve is required to maintain proper flow through each circuit. The system will perform flawlessly, regulating flow through heating and cooling coils, fan coil units, unit ventilators, and VAV reheat coils. Smart control of heating, cooling, and ventilation loads have a big impact on energy efficiency of buildings. Belimo damper actuators consume up to 80% less energy than others do. This is because of our patented brushless DC motor technology equipped with dynamic holding force detection. The motor technology guarantees rated torque over the entire operating range with no loss in performance due to temperature, supply voltage, or speed. The IoT damper and valve actuators provide cloud connectivity for fast, easy commissioning and remote monitoring. Paired with Belimo sensors, they help create and maintain a more comfortable environment with increased building efficiency. The Belimo energy valve provides transparent energy monitoring while maintaining design delta T. Automatic reports show actual and historical performance data and can recommend a new delta T set point for additional energy savings. As an IoT device with cloud-based services, you can benchmark coil performance, analyze glycol concentration, store energy data, produce commissioning reports, and send alerts. And with the energy flow map, you can visualize where the energy is consumed and correct as needed. Ensuring the safety of human life and property in buildings is one of the toughest challenges that planners, builders, owners, and operators face. Belimo safety actuators save lives and help minimize damage to buildings and tangible assets. Belimo is a global leader in fire safety actuators due to his expertise and continuous innovations that help increase safety levels in buildings. Belimo fire safety actuators are UL tested and listed with all major damper manufacturers. They exceed required building code requirements and reduce risk and ensure proper protection. The high-quality spring return and electronic fail-safe actuators provide reliable operation in case of a critical event. Quality assurance procedures ensure 100% inspection of each device, complete traceability, and 90 test routines to ensure that the highest quality standards are met. Belimo's patented SuperCap energy management algorithm safely charges and discharges the energy reliably for roughly 15 years or greater than 100,000 full cycles. Quick-running actuators have a big impact on ensuring controlled conditions of production spaces, laboratories, and other sensitive areas. Belimo's actuators open and close air dampers at top speed with low noise levels even under harsh conditions. The automatic current reduction at a standstill as well as a mechanical torque lock lower the energy consumption to a minimum. Belimo is known for its direct coupled actuator and innovations in valve and sensor technology, offering ease of installation and commissioning that reduce labor costs and save energy. Belimo offers a complete range of sensors designed with a snap-on cover, enabling easy installation while providing NEMA 4X IP65 protection. Belimo sensors not only deliver reliable and accurate readings, but they also offer field-selectable ranges providing flexible on-site configuration. The Belimo Assistant app offers operational transparency transparency when used in connection with damper and valve actuators that have integrated near-field communication. With a smartphone, the Belimo Assistant app provides fast and easy programming, commissioning, and troubleshooting even without power. The app also allows you to document and send your settings and operating data via email. With Belimo's Retrofit Solutions, valve, actuators, and sensors can be quickly and conveniently replaced without any interruption in service, offering reliable system performance. Solutions are compatible with all major control systems, so there's no need to replace other system components. With the Retrofit app, you can quickly and easily find replacement solutions. Here's an example of a new UBLK 1000 series zone valve retrofit solution. The UBLK series is a retrofit kit designed to replace existing actuators on Taco Comfort Solution zone valves, Schneider Electric VBB valves, or Erie zone valves, with a Belimo Compact CQ non-failsafe or CQK electronic failsafe actuator. These replacement solutions restore service without the removal of the valve, saving on downtime, increasing performance and efficiency, while backed by a 5-year warranty. Belimo field devices offer low maintenance operation. All products are tested and backed with a 5-year warranty, providing peace of mind knowing that you've chosen the best. The advanced butterfly valve is the most intelligent, energy efficient, and reliable solution in the HVAC market, offering ease of installation, application flexibility, and longevity. And with new near-field communication and BACnet, it provides access to application data for easy troubleshooting, commissioning, and programming. The Belimo Energy Valve connects to the Belimo Cloud, providing continuous energy monitoring. With automatic energy reporting, you can analyze data on trends, energy, and performance. And let's not forget, Belimo offers extensive customer service and technical support over the life of the product. Our award-winning service is known to assist customers quickly and effectively, either remote or on-site.
Well, thank you very much, Vic. Well, we're also excited to say that at AHR, Peter Schmidlin, the Belimo Chief Innovation Officer, will be presenting at the AHR New Product Technology Theater. So make sure to attend. It's on Monday, January 14th in Theater A at 4:45. If you're attending AHR, make sure to stop by Belimo at booth C5141 in the building automation area and ask for your free pair of socks while they last. We are now open for questions.
Thank you so much, Lisa and Vic. For those of you who do have questions, please feel free to type your questions in the question box. I will read them aloud, and Vic and Lisa will answer them as best as possible. If we're not able to get to your questions today, we will reach out to you individually and make sure we provide you with the best answer. Vic and Lisa, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, the first question is, why is delta T, or what is delta T, and why is it so important?
Okay, well, simply put, delta T is the change in temperature from your supply and return water across a heat exchange coil. Your heat exchange coil is designed to deliver a certain number of BTUs into a space, and the way it's designed is using delta T as part of that calculation. What we've found is many coils are suffering from what we call low delta T syndrome, which means that the delta T is much lower than its designed level. That means that there is more flow through that coil than necessary. That wastes energy. The energy valve can measure and control the amount of flow through that coil, limit the delta T, and save energy. That's why it's important.
Thank you. Next question. You use the term CESM. What does that mean again?
Okay. Well, CESM is a 5-dimension approach that Belimo uses in product development. It has to do with comfort, meaning comfort of the occupants, comfort with using the solution, energy efficiency, like I outlined a minute ago with our valves and actuators consuming less energy, our energy valve saving energy with raising your delta T, and so on. Safety is the S in CESM, and that has to do with providing a high level of safety for the occupants of any building. And we accomplish that through products like our fire and smoke damper actuators. I is for installation, and here we look at ways to improve or minimize the amount of effort required to install products, saving time and money. And then lastly is the M for maintenance. In here we look at the issues that our customers come across with maintaining their systems. In our case, we make data available to them for, let's say, preventative maintenance. We also incorporate brushless DC motor technology in our products that are highly reliable and rarely fail, and so on. So that is the M in maintenance.
Okay, that looks like that's all of our questions for today. I want to once again thank you so much, Vic and Lisa, for your expertise on the 2019 AHR Expo. We're really excited to show at AHR on January 14th through the 16th, and we look forward to meeting you in person. Don't forget to stop by and visit us at booth C5141. Thanks, everyone, and have a great day.